There are some journeys you remember long after the journey is over. Not because of where they took you, but because of everything you discovered along the way. This was one of those journeys. 6 friends, one road into the hills of Kendujhar. The road brought us here. But Handibhanga had only just begun. At first it was quiet. Small streams crossed our way. Water flowed between the rocks. And somewhere among the forest, a little waterfall waited. But that was only the beginning. We left the lower trail behind and started walking deeper into the hills. The path became narrower. The rocks became our road. The forest seemed to grow deeper with every step. Then we looked back. The little waterfall we had seen earlier was already far below us. We had come further than we realized. And then there it was, Handibhanga. But seeing it was one thing, reaching it was another. So we kept walking through the rocks, through the forest, following the sound of water, until finally we are standing right there. Some journeys end when you return home, some stay with you.